Hi there. So when it comes to the blog, in order to see how your blogs are, like to make sure they're live and that people can see the blog and the blog that you just made or posted, if you're wanting to make the blog live, this video is going to help you know how to do that. So as you can see, I'm in my blog account. The ones that say draft, these are not live, so you do not see this on the blog. And then these ones that don't have that little draft symbol in the corner, these are live on the blog. So what you do is basically when you're writing a blog, I'm just going to click into this draft. Whenever you are ready to make your blog go live, you're just going to click update. If I click update right now, this blog will be live. If I click draft, it's going to go into the draft section and it will not show on the blog feed. So that's pretty much how you make sure the blog post is live. Now, as far as making sure that your blog is live on your site, the blog is live no matter what. Like this blog exists, even if I don't link to it on my site right now, whatever blog posts are posted, they technically are live and could get picked up on SEO, like on Google or something. Like search engines can pick up on these keywords and these blog posts because it is technically live on your site no matter what. It's just a matter of, are you linking it on your website? Are you linking your blog anywhere on your site for people to be able to click onto your blog and see it? So in order for people to be able to see the blog on through your website, what you'll want to do is whenever you go to your page, like go to your home page for your business, and if you go up on your header, which as you see right here where the little arrow is pointing up, everything up here is my header of my website, meaning this header is going to show on every single page on my website. Same thing with your footer. So where it says footer and the arrow is pointing down, everything below here is going to show on every page of my site. And as you can see, I have my blog linked in each menu in my footer and in my header. So it's just a matter of linking your blog in your header or your footer. So, I mean, you could link your blog in a button if you wanted to. You can link it anywhere. But obviously, the most appropriate place to link your blog is in your header or your footer. So if you don't have your blog linked in a header or footer menu, you're just going to edit the menu and make sure you click add menu item. It's going to be in the one that says page, and you're going to do page group and you're going to click blog. So that is going to take them to your main blog. What you can do is you can have it linked to a specific blog post, but if you want them to see your whole blog feed, just keep it the way it is like that and make sure it says same tab and click select. So now you see I have it right here again because I already had it right here. So I was just more showing an example, but you can change the way it looks if you want it to be lowercase or you want everything to be uppercase or however you want to do it. You can even, if you hover over it, you can make it where it's like a drop-down menu, but obviously that's not necessary in this case. We wouldn't do that. But yeah, it's just basically making sure it's added as a menu item in your navigation menu and then clicking save, making sure you do that. And same thing in the footer. But this is a menu widget. So obviously this menu widget is already here, but if you didn't have a menu in your footer, you would just go to the, if I can find it, menu widget right here. And that's the menu widget. And then you start adding your menu items and then you can edit the menu to have the certain look that you want. So yeah, your blog is live no matter what, as long as a post is live. So if you made any of your posts, sorry, I have a lot of things on my website, but if you made any of your posts where you clicked update and you didn't draft it, that would technically mean your blog is live and it can get picked up on Google. But obviously that takes longer as far as people finding that. You're going to want to link your blog in your actual website so that people who are in your website can access it. So I hope that makes sense and I hope it would help. So, all right, bye.